Hi, my name is Stefani, and I am the Children's Librarian at the Forest Park branch of the Public Library of Cincinnati and Hamilton County. We have partnered with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative to bring you this project that you can do at home. Today, we are making tangrams using materials you have at home to make different shapes.
First, gather your materials. You will need paper or cardboard. I suggest something heavy like construction paper, or you can cut up cereal boxes. Get a ruler, scissors, and a pencil. We're going to start by drawing a variety of shapes. You could draw triangles or squares. You could do rectangles or other shapes. Just make sure you have at least 4 of each, and then you can cut them out. Whether for the drawing or the cutting, this is a great time to get help from a grown-up. So I already traced some of my shapes, and then we can cut them out. Next, you're going to think of what shape you can make. So I'm going to get my pre-made shapes here, and you could do a rocket, a car. Let's start with a flower, but you could do whatever shapes you can think of. This is something you could do on your own or with a friend or a sibling. And what your actual shape will look like I'm doing a flower, but it will depend on what your smaller shapes, what size they are. So which objects were you able to make with your tangrams? Were there any shapes you couldn't make? If you want to do more, have your grown-up help you search online for tangrams.
Thanks for watching.
This video was produced in partnership with the Greater Cincinnati STEM Collaborative. For more STEM activities, visit greatercincystem.org.